Hi, I'm Dr. Adil Khan, and again I'm making this small video to share how well acupuncture works. These videos are not about me. These videos are about acupuncture, that how effective acupuncture is, and no matter where you are, just try acupuncture for your pain and or ailments. Today what I'll be discussing is an osteoarthritis of grade 3 and a ligament tear of grade 3. The person I'm going to be talking about, he was advised complete knee replacement and he has been suffering from this pain from last 1 year. He came to me through a reference, okay, try acupuncture before going to knee replacement, it might work. So he came to me and started his treatment, and about a month of the treatment he's saying he's 50% better. So now the person himself will be telling you everything about the acupuncture, about me, about the experience over here. Here he goes.
Thank you, doctor. Yes, as he says, a month ago, I didn't have much hope because I was told that my knee condition is so bad that I'd have to go in for knee replacement. And, knee replacement, I felt was a bit premature at this stage. So I was desperate to try something out that would kind of postpone that. And I was told that acupuncture could work and could help me. And I was also told that Dr. Adil Khan is good at it, and I should go to him and then make an attempt. And that's how I came to you. And it's been a little over a month, and I would say, as he says, I find substantial improvement in my knee condition. I'm able to, function normally. I'm going to office, I'm walking, and things which I thought I will not be able to do. And so that's where I am, and I have to thank him that in 1 month I didn't expect this kind of an improvement.
One more thing that I would like you to tell, that on the very first day when you came to me, you said the pain is in the knee. And I was not putting the needle on the knee, I was putting everywhere else. So you were a bit surprised. Okay? How come he is not doing in the knee and doing everywhere else? And after the first session, I think when you got up, the pressure around your knee was released.
Yes.
And I could see that shocking thing on your face that in one session I can see the difference.
Yes.
Is it?
Yeah. In one session, in fact, I was a bit surprised. I thought you got my knee wrong, I had the problem with my left knee, and you were piercing me all over my right side. And of course, he's the doctor, so I thought he would be knowing what he was doing. But the first session itself gave me the tension on my knee reduced so much, and I